What's going on, everybody? This is Bishop Brad coming to y'all on a pod review that I'm just now getting around to doing on a pepper that I've never had before, the Jigsaw. The Jigsaw was sent to me by Mr. John Ford of Ford's Fiery Foods, and looking at this pepper, look at this thing. You know, I haven't had a darn pepper in a while. This was in my freezer, just getting around to it, frozen like love from the heavens above, isolating the Scoville units and frozen in time. Look at this mean mamma jamma. Now, I know there's been a lot of reviews on the Jigsaw already. I haven't touched base on this pimpled pepper pot of love yet. Figured I'd bring it to y'all on a pod review in the month of March. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous thing. Hot thing, mean thing. This thing looks mean. Now, I don't know much about the Jigsaw. I think what matters the most is the flavor and, bottom line, what it does. Okay, so first things first. Oh, it smells hot. Look at this thing on the inside. Yeah, all that's frozen is all that pure capsaicin of love. What I'm going to do is this. I don't feel like living tonight with cramps. So to lower my cramps for tonight, being that it's been a while since I've done a pod, I'm going to cut out the placenta. Okay, if I can eliminate the placenta of love, then maybe I can eliminate and just focus on the flavor, focus on the heat. If this thing's hot, it's going to pop my ass either way. Alright. So I've got the Jigsaw here, baby. From Ford's Fiery Foods. Bishop Brad style coming to y'all. Pepper TV style, baby. Here we roll and here we go. Sweet out the chute. Good flavored pepper. Good flavored pepper. Capsaicin. Tongue. I just swallowed a little bit going into my throat. The Jigsaw by Ford's Fiery Foods. I'm going to tell you something about what this pepper's doing to me right now. My tongue, on fire. My lips, on fire. My throat, on fire. That's a hot pod. You know, watching the reviews of the Jigsaw, by a couple of them I saw, a lot of them were not too impressed by the heat levels of the Jigsaw. I just cut out the placenta. My tolerance is really low. My whole entire mouth is on fire right now. It's been a while since I felt this burn. It's hot. The flavor was incredible. Really a good flavored pepper. My saliva glands are kicking bad. Oh! Oh, eyes watering. I can feel this baby going down in my stomach. Cheers. You know, all around for this pepper, though, I'd have to say that's a hot mamma jamma. I would say it was equal to like a 7-pot. The flavor of it reminded me of a 7-pot. Ooh. I'm trying to maintain right now. Y'all can check out many reviews on the Jigsaw. But you're having a Bishop Brad that hadn't had a pot in quite a while. My mouth is on fire. Capsaicin hitting into my bloodstream. One thing about Ford's Fiery Foods. Y'all see me do lots of reviews. You see me do reviews for, Jim Duffy. Y'all see me do pod reviews for Puckabutt and Ed Curry. Y'all see me do reviews for John Ford. Every single pepper that I've gotten from John Ford has literally kicked my ever-loving butt. Oh, golly. You know, look, it just came out. There's Tyler, everybody. He's here. There he is.
How are you?
Hey, are you mad, bro?
Ain't even mad, bro.
You ain't even mad, bro? This is Bishop Brad coming to you on a review for the Jigsaw pepper from Ford's Fiery Foods. Y'all check him out. I know he'll probably have plugs and things like that for this pepper. I know he'll be able to provide peppers this year for the Jigsaw. Very unique pepper, very good pepper, very good tasting pepper. Equivalent heat of a 7-pot. It is hot, man. It is hot bad. But I'm coming around. It came intensely, peaked bad. I'm coming down now from it. Endorphins are kicking in. When endorphins are kicking and birds are chirping, it seems really cool, man. Very trippy. Ford's Fiery Food style, but this is Bishop Brad coming to you on Pepper TV. I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.